We come together in front of war memorials in our communities every year to pay tribute to our brave servicemen and women, and I believe more priority should be given to how war memorials are protected here in Wales. I've advocated for conservation custodians or war memorial officers, which could be incorporated into the responsibilities of existing local authority officers, and their role would serve as a point of contact for the public on any war memorial related matters. They could also develop partnerships with the local community groups and organisations who have already established responsibility for some memorials in the area. And they could also forge links with local schools to educate children and young people about the importance of war memorials and to tell the stories of the great sacrifices made for us. Therefore, I hope the Cabinet Secretary will genuinely commit to looking at this proposal further and whether there is scope for this sort of role to be created.